Hi guys, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your key of your great Toyota. So the first step is to push the button here to remove the key. Actually, when you don't have additional tools, you can just use the key itself actually to open these two elements to plastic cover. You see, it's almost out, and now you can just use the key. You see, I'm just pushing on both sides and it's almost open. Yeah, almost. So, oh, you see, now it's open. After this step, you can just push and pull, actually pull this both sides. And what's next? There is this plastic cover, so it looks that we should theoretically, I don't know, pull it, I don't know. I'm just using my screwdriver, just like this, you see, and now the other side, and the cover is out. And what's the last step? Theoretically, it's better when you are using something made of plastic. I don't know, I do not have something like this, so I'm using just my screwdriver without pushing the buttons. You have to just put it here, and you see the battery is going out. You cannot just do it, oh, you see? And the battery is actually out. The model, you can see it's really crucial. Actually, this is the Panasonic battery, so CR2032 3 volts. I think it's quite popular, but just pay attention to buy the right battery. I think it's all. So I have the spare one, so what can I do? Unfortunately, it's not Panasonic, but it's still the same kind of battery. So you just you can just put it here, push a bit, yeah, you can see now, yeah, it's blinking, this LED, and the plastic cover is back here. Now the main cover, you have to just push a bit, yeah. After this click sound, it's almost ready. And now the last part. When this film was useful for me, for you of course, just leave a thumb up and subscribe with the bell. Thank you very much guys, and have a good time.